Over the years, the cost of poultry feed has become a thorn in the flesh of poultry farmers, causing several poultry farmers to shut down their poultry farms. One of the proposed ways to reduce or eradicate this problem is by looking for alternative feed ingredients which are palatable, sustainable, without compromising digestion. And one of such alternative ingredients is leaf meal of plants. And one of such leaf meal is the mango leaf meal. So on today's video, I'll be discussing with you on how to use mango leaf meal for your chicken, the benefits and the inclusion rate in feed. So stay tuned, I'll be right back. Welcome back. As I said earlier, I'll be sharing with you how to use mango leaf meal for your chicken. In fact, mango fruits is one of my favorite fruits. I don't joke with it. The leaf also has been reported to contain some active or bioactive substances that is useful for both human and livestock, including chicken. Now, it has been reported that even the seed, the inner seed, which is known as the mango kernel, are consumed by the Indians. They use it in preparing porridge. So you can see usefulness of this mango tree in general cannot be overemphasized. They also, like other leaf meal, it contains bioactive substances like flavonoid, phenolene, saponin, tannins, etc. These are active ingredients have some antiviral and antioxidant properties in them. Now, a research was done, or a study was done on the mango leaf meal and its growth performance in broiler chicken by Aka Tanimo and his colleagues in the Federal College of Animal Science and Production Technology, Plateau State, Nigeria. So in this experiment, they made use of 300 broiler chickens into 5 groups, and they make use of different inclusion rates. The first group was the control ordinary feed. The second group was 2.5% of mango leaf meal. The second group was 5.0% of mango leaf meal. The fourth group was 7.5% of mango leaf meal, and the fifth group was 10% of mango leaf meal. The reason why the percentage level are different is to find out the one that has a complete usage, a complete advantage for the chicken. Because these leaf meal have limitations due to the high fiber content in leaf meal. So they normally make use of different inclusion rates to find out the one that has good performance overall in the chicken's body. Now, at the end of the experiments, they compare the different inclusion rates of this mango leaf meal to that of the control and find out that the 7.5% has better growth, feed intake in the chicken, and lower feed conversion ratio in the broiler chicken without any adverse effects. So they advise that if you want to make use of a mango leaf meal, you should include 7.5% in your chicken feed. Now, how can you use it in your chicken feed? Normally, when you use percentage, it means that while formulating your chicken feed, you can add this percentage of mango leaf meal in your chicken feed, that is 7.5%, reducing other feed ingredients like the maize or the protein. So you can reduce the feed ingredients, other feed ingredient that is very costly, by 7.5%. Not just as an alternative feed ingredient, it can also serve as a medicinal herb for your chicken as well. As I've mentioned earlier, it contains some active ingredients. So this 7.5% mango leaf meal can be included while formulating your 100 kg bag of feed. So for 70 kg bag of feed, in a 7 kg bag of feed, you can add 5.3%. For 25 kg bag of feed, you add 1.9% of mango leaf meal. So find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Please give it a thumbs up. If you want to learn how to use other leaf meal like pawpaw, bamboo, and so on, I'll leave the link above, or you check the link in my description below. Always make your birds happy, because a happy bird makes a happy farmer. Sam is out. See you on my next video. Bye bye.